Hey friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Last week I clearly mentioned that Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Russell, all three indexes have upside pending, and you saw it till last Friday. All three indexes went up like anything. More than 3% upside you saw in all these three indexes. Nasdaq 100, I mentioned that it will first take some support profit booking and then it will go up. Same thing happened for Nasdaq 100. In this video, I have done the analysis of all the indexes, gold, silver, and some of the important Nasdaq 100 stocks. So do watch this video completely. This video is divided into two parts. First is for indexes and second is for the stocks. Let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends.
This is our channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do technical analysis on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold, silver, and some stocks. In case you are new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos which I make on this channel. Last week, I clearly mentioned here, you can check in this thumbnail, that Nasdaq 100 can take some rest. Dow, S&P 500, Russell, upside is pending. Gold and silver give more upside. So we will check what happened after we did a review last week. But before that, let's go ahead and check economic calendar. Next week, we have a lot of things coming up in the line. Few of the important things which we need to look at, that is on Tuesday we have inflation rate data coming, and on Wednesday we have Fed interest rate decision, and on Thursday we have Fed press conference. So all these 3 days, I think they are very important for the market. They will give the further direction to the market. So with this, let's go ahead and start our analysis. First, we will go to our important trading analysis tool, that is TradingView. We will do the analysis of Nasdaq first. I want to highlight some of the things in the Nasdaq. If you guys have observed or saw my all previous videos, remember when we were here, right, at March, on the last week of March 2023, I remember in my analysis, I clearly mentioned in this video that this has created a cup and handle pattern, where you can see this is a cup, this is a handle, and a nice tea brewing. And after that, you saw what happened. It gave a breakout here, and that after breakout, it retested here, and from then you saw a big upside. Now, the most clear thing, or most funniest thing, or most important thing you can see here, the targets. As you all know, when there is a cup and handle pattern, whatever is the base of the cup, that is here you can see 1900 into 2000 points. Okay, so 2000 points upside is pending, and out of 2000 points, how much points we covered, we will see here. After the breakout, this is a classic example of cup and handle. We have gained almost 1700 points. So 200 points, 2 to 300 points are more, right? 2000 points. So you can see here 15K. So now we have 15K in radar, that whether the Nasdaq 100 will show us 15K or not. Okay. We will take a look at the daily chart first. You can see here that here there was a flag pattern also created, and then after that a one side upside move it has given. We will convert it into the 4-hourly chart also. If you saw last week, in the channel itself, I mentioned on the YouTube short, you can see here Nasdaq 100 buy setup, clearly mentioned here. You can see here Here I clearly mentioned that, see, when the index was trading near 14,450, I mentioned the target of 14,650 and 14,850. And if you can see here now, look at this. We have almost, you know, we have almost covered from 1400 and 460, right? From here we went to the 14,625, 630, right? And then, we are retracing more. So on the day chart, let us draw the levels here. I am expecting a small pullback. Okay. Currently, you can see here 14,575 is it's a make or break point. Okay, we are sitting at the make or break point. If on Monday we open and we sustain above 14,600, for example, 600, 650, okay, if we sustain above 14,600, 650, then the first target is coming toward 1400, 14,775. Second is 15,050, and then 15,175. Yes, my friends, these targets are very big. Okay, now if we don't sustain above 14,600, we don't sustain above 14,600, then there is a pullback, that come towards 14,465, 14,420, and 14,370. If we get these three pullbacks, 14,465, 14,420, 14,370, then also it's a good for market to give a next bounce into the market like this. Okay, these are my projections. So watch the level of 14,600. Now we'll come to the S&P 500. Okay, so for S&P 500, I have not changed my chart. Whatever analysis we did last week, I kept the same chart because to let you guys understand what happened. We analyzed last week here, right? This green candle, 26th May. After Friday, 26th May, we did the analysis on weekend. We clearly mentioned that on sustaining above 4200, we are seeing a bullishness in the S&P 500. And you see here, our first target was 4300. We almost touched 4300, almost 100 points upside. Nice, upside. And then our next target is 4400, and then the next target is 4500. So I am keeping these targets intact. Only the thing is, right now 4300 is acting as a pivot point. So if we stay above 4300, you will see the target of 4400, 4500, which I think it will stay and it will show, because after a long period of consolidation, it has given a breakout and it is kind of flag and pole pattern also. So the size of this should be shown here. Okay. So 4400, 4500 should be the upside. On contrary, if it doesn't sustain above 4300, then it can traverse back to 4200, take some support, and again start going up from here. So the idea is up to 4200, 4300 to 4200 is support. If it breaks 4200, then we will talk about the downside, and the downside target will be 4150, 4110, 4075. Now the next index is Dow Jones. Before we go there, S&P 500, I created a short video for that also. If you guys have seen it, S&P 500 buy setup, you can see here. See, clearly mentioned S&P 500 on staying above 4200, targets 430, 440, 4500. So same real-time updates I made on this channel, and that's why I tell you guys to go and subscribe to this channel, so you will get the notification on the real time. Okay. Now we will go ahead and do the analysis of Dow Jones. What the upside? Outstanding upside. You can see here my analysis. We clearly mentioned that 32600 and 32600 to 32750 is a support area, and uh, unless we don't fall below this area, I said that we are bullish into the uh, Dow Jones. And you can see here, I mentioned that bullishness will start about 33,000, and my targets were 32,000, 33,400, and 34,000 and 34,400. So after it started trading about 33,000, it gave the almost upside of 800 points from here. 800 points upside. The first target of 33,400 is done. Second target is almost about to reach. So the idea is same. Uh, this is a kind of very big bullish Marubozu candle, and I think Monday we may open at the same point, or we can correct little bit, and again we will go to the target of 34,000 and 34,400. It may come back towards 33,400 to take a support here, and or above that, and it can go up. Now where is the downside? In Dow Jones, downside will only come if we start trading below 33,000. So all the bears watch out. Unless and until 33,000 is not crossed on the downside, we should not be a seller. Next is Russell. What a upside, guys. You can see here, what a candle. It's a strong, very strong, big Marubozu candle. Nobody should short looking at this candle, because this is a very strong representation of upside. And if you guys remember, clearly mentioned that for RTY Russell, we have support around 1700, 1730, this area. Unless and until we don't trade below this area, nobody should short. One should be buyer. And you see here, I mentioned that once it starts trading and sustaining above 1718, I gave three targets: uh, 1790, 1810, 1825. These targets were done, and now I have drawn a new target, and that is 1865. 1865 is coming, my friends, uh, and that is based on the newses also which is coming, right? We have saw that on Wednesday and on Thursday we have inflation and Fed data, so that will also give more fuel to the market, or that can turn around the market as well. So watch out for that. Monday it might be possible that it can start open and then start going up, or after opening it can give some retest and then start going up. So watch out for that. Now after that, we have the two commodities. See, for the gold, I was very upside. I was bullish onto it, and I mentioned that it has a support around 1920 to 1900. This is the support area, and I mentioned that is has the target of 1960 and 2000. So you can see here both targets achieved. 1960 is achieved here, and the 2000 also achieved here. You can see, right? Both the targets are achieved, and after that, you can see here on Friday it gave a big red candle. So right now, again, uh, in a very short term, gold can again come back toward 1960 to 1920 or 1900 area, and then again it can further decide from here whether it has to go down or go up. Okay. Now, uh, yeah, so if it stay again above 1960, then 2000, 2015, 2100 are the upside targets. If it stays below this 1900, then the target of 1875, 1835, and 1800. Right now, one should be on the sidelines. We need to see whether it is coming in this zone or not, because right now it is in no trade zone for me. For the silver, you can see here, for the silver, I mentioned that 22.50 is a support area, and it can go towards 23.50, 24, 24.50. You can see here It went to 23.50, it achieved first target, then it went to 24, and then it retraced from there. Now the thing is same. 22.50 is a long term or medium term support for this. It might retrace again, okay, till this level. Either it can come towards 23.50, 23 levels, and again start coming up, and then once it break and sustain about 24, then you will get the new targets of 24.50, 25.50, 26.50. Where is the downside? Downside is below 22.50. Once it starts trading below 22.50, then 21.75, 20.85, and 20.50. So this is all about the levels for indexes and the commodities. I hope you learned something out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to put your comments and like, and let me know in case you want to analyze something more. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye.